Want to know how to add your phone number or link your phone number in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application or the website. So you can just simply head on to dola.com, and we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once I've run all of that, you should be in this interface right here. And now once you're onto this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here with your avatar or your profile picture. Just simple like that. So once you've filtered that, on the top you should already be seeing settings. Just simply select the settings once. So now once you're in the settings, you can just simply scroll all the way down and you should be seeing account that should be right above logo. So you can just simply select that. So now here you should be seeing various interfaces. Now since we are adding phone number, on the top you should be seeing link phone number. Just simply select your phone number. And once this page loads, so you can just simply select your country code, your number code, and then just simply type in your phone number and then select your verification code, and it should be successfully linked. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.